What's up, YouTube? Double R here. I said I was gonna do it and I did it. Went back to the old chassis, but now we're a Cbolt. This is probably about 147. Recycled my old Punishment RC links. But at the end of the day, still have this 0-degree skid. But I definitely did some modification to this thing. Pulled out some of my old stuff that I was sitting on. It might have broke or, stopped using it. Like these mounts off of Etsy. The actual tabs actually break off when you drop. But I have them set inside the post with glue. Cut the front off the chassis rails. Got those mounts in the front as well, in reverse. Stock shocks. Straight links in the front. But again, because this is a 0-degree skid, these straight links don't work good. It's not a good geometry. You could definitely benefit from a bend in the front when you're rocking this kind of skid. If we had the angle skid, yeah, the straight is better. But I noticed driving around like this, I was definitely getting hung up a lot more than before. But yeah, this is not going to stay like this. Well, maybe this chassis will. But yeah, I definitely need a true Cbolt wheelbase. Batteries in the way. Not bad.